Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to start a new short video series of general embryology, which is very important for every types of exam and for undergraduate students. In this video, this is the first video. In this video, we will discuss about gametogenesis in just these two slides. In coming videos, we will discuss spermatogenesis, oogenesis in detail. Now let's start from gametogenesis, its definition, site, mechanism, then mitotic division, first and second mitotic division, and its abnormalities. First, what is gametogenesis? Gameto means gametes like sperm and ova. Genesis means formation. Now, how we define gametogenesis definition? It is the process of production of mature gametes by the gonads like sperm and ova. Now come to the site of gametogenesis. It occurs in the gonads like male gonads, testes, female gonads, ovaries. Now come to the mechanism, how gametogenesis occur. Actually, gametogenesis occur when there is a changes occur in the primitive germ cells. Like primitive germ cells, in male there is a spermatogonia and female there is a oogonia. Now, what is the mechanism of gametogenesis? Gametogenesis entails changes in the cytoplasm and the nucleus of the primitive germ cell like spermatogonia and oogonia. Now, how change occur? This change occur on two levels, cytoplasm and nucleus. And we know in nucleus, in both male and female, before fertilization, zygote, in germ cell, the chromosome become haploid. And next in cytoplasm, basically baby receive only nucleus from father, from sperm, and from mother egg. Baby receive the nucleus and cytoplasm both. Now, in mechanism in cytoplasm, what changes occur is greatly increase in the ovum. The cytoplasm become increase in the ovum, but greatly decrease in the sperm. In sperm, there is only nucleus. And what changes occur in the nucleus? Undergo meiotic division to reduce the number of chromosomes to its half. Mean from 46 to 23. Now come to the meiotic division. In meiotic division, first its definition, then its occurrence, then its steps. First, how we define the meiosis, meiotic division. It is a type of cellular division resulting in reduction of the number of chromosomes from diploid number 46 to haploid number mean 23. Occurrence, its occurrence in the primitive sex cell only. It is not occurring in somatic cell. In somatic cell there is a mitosis, mitotic division, but in primitive germ cell, sex cell, there is a meiotic division like in spermatogonia and oogonia. Now come to the steps. It occurs in two successive stages called first meiotic division and second meiotic division. And remember, there is an MCQs point for every types of exam in first meiotic division and second meiotic division, like crossing over occur in first meiotic division. And non-disjunction occur in both first meiotic and second meiotic division. And in first meiotic division, there is a diploid number of chromosome become haploid, but in second meiotic division, in first meiotic division, from one cell, two cell is produced, and in second meiotic division, from one cell, there is a 4 daughter cell is produced. Now come to the detail. First, meiotic division. In first meiotic division, the 46 chromosome in the nucleus of dividing primitive sex cell are arranged in 23 pairs. Each pair consists of 2 homologous chromosomes. In second step, each chromosome replicates itself. Means the 23 pair become 46 pair. And then split longitudinally into 2 chromatids which remain attached to the centromere. Each chromosome replicates itself, splits longitudinally into chromatids which remain attached to centromere. In third step, now they separate from, now the chromatids separate in the region of centromere. Break occur in the chromatids in third step, and crossing over take place. A segment of the chromatid of one chromosome is exchanged with equally sized segment of the chromatid of the homologous chromosome. Mean the chromatid parts become a segment become exchange. This is known as crossing over, and due to this crossing over in generation, the mutation occur. Now come to the fourth stage. The member of each homologous pair separate and migrate to the opposite pole of the cell. Look at the diagram. And in fifth stage, the cytoplasm finally divide and give rise to two daughter cells, each of which contain the haploid number of chromosomes. For example, 23 mean at the end of the first meiotic division, there is a two daughter cell, each contain haploid number of chromosomes. Now come to the second meiotic division. Each chromosome split longitudinally into two chromatids which separate completely from each other due to splitting of the centromere. In second meiotic division, there is a centromere splitting occur, but not in the first meiotic division. And second is that each chromatid migrate into the opposite into one pole of the cell and develop into a pull chromosome. Mean each chromatid migrate into one pole of the cell and develop into the pull chromosome. You got the diagram. And the third step, the cytoplasm then divide, resulting in the splitting of the cell into two daughter cells, each of which contain 23 chromosomes. Now come to the result of meiosis. What is the result of meiosis? In the end result of the second stage of meiosis is there are the two things occur in the end. In the end result of second stage of meiosis, there is a formation of four daughter cell from one primitive sex cell. Second, the reduction of number of chromosome in each daughter cell to 23. Mean in the at the end result of the first meiotic division, there is a two haploid daughter cell from one diploid primitive cell, but the end result of the second meiotic division, there is a four haploid daughter cell from the one diploid primitive sex cell. Now come to the abnormalities which occur during meiosis. The abnormalities which occur during meiosis are the non-disjunction. Now come to the what is the definition of non-disjunction? It is a failure of the two member of a pair of homologous chromosome to separate during the first meiotic division, and thus they pass together to one of the two daughter cells. And non-disjunction may also occur during second meiotic division due to failure of separation of the two chromatids as a result of the non-splitting of the centromere. Now, in the result of the non-disjunction, there is number one, as a result of non-disjunction of chromosome in the mother cell, one daughter cell have one extra chromosome, while other daughter cell have one less chromosome. Like in one cell there is a instead of 23 there is a 24 chromosome, and in one instead of 23 there is a 22 chromosome. Due to non-disjunction, one daughter cell receive extra chromosome and one less chromosome. Now, when fertilization of a such cell with abnormal chromosome take place, the following may occur. What will occur? When a gamete with 24 chromosome unite with abnormal gamete 23 chromosome, the resulting zygote will have 47 instead of 46 chromosome. This condition is called trisomy, because one chromosome is present in triple instead of being double. Next, when a gamete with a 22 chromosome unite with a normal gamete of 23, the resulting zygote will have only 45 chromosome. This condition is called monosomy, because one chromosome is present in single instead of being tuple. Now come to the example of monosomy and trisomy. The example of trisomy is the Down syndrome. It is a trisomy of chromosome number 21, and in result there will be 47 chromosome, one extra chromosome instead of 46. This condition is known as Down syndrome. And the example of the monosomy is the Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, in Turner syndrome there is a 45 chromosome instead of 46 chromosome. Now come to the example of trisomy and monosomy. Trisomy of the 21 chromosome, the condition is called Down syndrome. This baby have characteristic faces, short and broad hand, and it is clearly shown in this diagram. Second is the trisomy of the X chromosome. This occurs when ovum contain 2 X chromosome instead of 1 due to non-disjunction, is fertilized by an X producing sperm. From sperm the X chromosome is come, and due to non-disjunction already there is a 2X in the ovum. In the result there will be trisomy. The zygote contain triple X. Third is next is the monosomy of the X chromosome. This case occur when an ovum with no X chromosome, due to non-disjunction, is fertilized by an X sperm, resulting in the formation of an X0. Means there is no X in ovum, there is a 0 chromosome, and from father the X chromosome is come. This is known as X0, and this condition is called Turner syndrome and contain only 45 chromosome. Now, for MCQ's point of view, you should remember in non-disjunction, one cell receive less chromosome and one receive more chromosome. And the example of the trisomy, when cell receive more chromosome, this is trisomy, less monosomy. And trisomy example is Down syndrome, and monosomy example is Turner syndrome. And next is the crossing over take place in the first mitotic division, and non-disjunction may occur in first meiotic division and also in second meiotic division. And in second meiotic division, it is due to failure of the separation of 2 chromatids. This is all about gametogenesis. In next video, we will discuss about spermatogenesis separately and oogenesis. Now, if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.